Zomiyo no me tashli, no me tarita nap palequeo pu soje pu fe timonuyo pu palequeo. Paske aise nuye. So as you know that the corona is still spreading. And if you don't know what we were saying, we were speaking Haitian Creole. And please like, subscribe, and comment to put a Haiti flag if you're Haitian, and don't put it if you're not Haitian. And as you can know, the corona is spreading, and Donald Trump's wife has the corona. And please pray for them and pray for their kids so they won't get the corona too. And pray for the people in need and the USA so they can be safe. And you have to keep on praying and praying and praying. Like, you pray at home, you pray at church, pray for your food, pray for everything so it can be safe. And you have to pray. Doesn't matter if you're like at home, you still have to pray. Pray when you're like going to bed. Even though if you're like somewhere, please pray so you can be safe, because only God can do it and no one else. God is the powerful one and he can do anything. So please pray for everyone in need, because God is the greatest and he's really good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys love this video. Please share this video. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and wash your hands and be safe. Bye.
Bye. God bless you.
God bless you. And wash your hands.